One of the most common Jenkins question is, how do you add a worker node to Jenkins? Hi guys, today is day 21 of the DevOps intro question series. Let me show you how to connect a worker node to Jenkins and make it production ready in under 3 minutes. Currently, I have two EC2 instances running. One is Jenkins master and the other one is worker node. Our goal is to connect the worker node to Jenkins so that it can execute jobs. To add a node in Jenkins, go to the Jenkins dashboard. Navigate to Manage Jenkins, Nodes, and here you can add a new worker node. First, I SSH into the worker node using the PEM file. Now that I'm connected, I switch to the root user and then I go to the Jenkins dashboard and click on new node and enter the node name as worker node 1. And then I select the appropriate node type, which is permanent agent, and click on create. Next, I provide the remote root directory as var Jenkins and assign a label, example worker label. After filling the required fields, I click on save. As you can see, the node is currently in offline status. To add the worker node to the Jenkins master, I run the command provided by Jenkins to connect the worker node. Before running the command, I check whether the Java is installed on the worker node or not. As you can see, Java is not installed. So I first update the package list using sudo apt update and then I install Java using apt install default JDK version. Once Java is successfully installed, I paste the command again to connect the worker node to Jenkins. As you can see, the worker node is now connected and shows online on the Jenkins dashboard. To check everything is working fine, I'm testing the worker node with a sample job. I click on the new item, select pipeline and the name of the job, worker demo, then I click OK. In the pipeline configuration, I added a simple pipeline script. I changed the label to match the one we assigned to the worker node. That the label is worker label to ensure the job runs on the specific node. I save the job and click on build now. As you can see, the build is successful and the job runs on the worker node. One issue is that if I press Ctrl C in the worker node terminal or if the terminal session ends, the worker node goes offline. In real world scenario, servers may restart or terminal sessions may close unexpectedly. It's not ideal to run the agent command manually in the terminal. To solve the issue of the worker node going offline, I'm setting up the Jenkins agent to run as a systemd service. I'm copying the Jenkins secret into the secret file on the worker node. So this secret is required for authenticating the agent with the Jenkins master. And then I'm creating a systemd service file for the Jenkins agent. So this tells systemd to manage the agent process and ensure it starts automatically when the server boards. So I'm adding this configuration to the Jenkins agent service file. So I save the file and then run the following commands to reload the systemd daemon and start the Jenkins agent service. So I'm just verifying that the Jenkins agent is running or not. So the output shows the Jenkins agent is running properly. So now go back to the Jenkins dashboard. So now the worker node shows as online. So finally I reran the previously created pipeline job. So now you can see the job runs successfully, confirming that the worker node is now persistently connected. Follow for more real world DevOps interview scenario questions. See you in day 22.